Beijing subway system, the metro. Did a video before on the Shanghai Metro, and this is the Beijing Metro system as of 2013. There are 15 lines here, and they all revolve around the Forbidden City, right there, Forbidden City, and where the head of government is, and everything revolves around that as far as rings. There's 3 or 4 distinct rings in Beijing, and everyone refers to locations in the city as first ring, second ring, third ring, fourth ring. Now, with the 15 lines, they're going to build more, obviously, to cover more of the area that it seems to be expanding to, but there's been a lot of commotion lately about the air quality and lack of clean water, and the water table here is bad. So perhaps in the future they can move the capital city to another place based on all of the complaints and the logistics problems with Beijing. But as for now, they're going to continue to build out and develop capital city so that they can accommodate more business and more schools and more development from both foreign and domestic companies. So there it is. University Park is up here, and the 2 railway stations. There's one in the south, one in the north. Airport's over there. That's the international airport, and it's a lot cheaper than the Shanghai Metro. It only starts here at 2 yuan. 2 yuan will get you a ride. If you pay them 4 yuan, they'll give you 2 tickets. So it's a little bit different here as far as how they set it up. But yeah, it's quite efficient. It's better than being up top where all the air pollution is. Not that this is not dirty down here, but it's probably the best way to travel in Beijing. Huge traffic problems. Lots of signage here. They're not lacking any advertising, let's put it that way. Tons of signage. And as I'll show you in a moment, there's even digital signage in the subway as you're going. And that plays video screens at the same speed as the metro train. I'll give you a clip of that along with all of these that go on the standing area. They pack them in like sardines. I wouldn't wish that on my worst.